What's up YouTube? This is Forever Blackbird coming to you with another video. Today I am doing more Christmas earrings. Right now all you see is I printed my images out on regular computer paper. I Mod Podge my images, let it dry, and then I cut them out. This step we are just gluing the images to the shape. I use Mod Podge, but you can use any type of glue. I repeated this step for the rest of the earrings. Okay guys, I looked through my pencil box and I found a black paint pen. I'm using my black paint pen because something was off. Either my image was off or the wooden circle, but my image actually was smaller than my wooden circle, so I had to go in and fill in like the out edges of my wooden circles with some black just to match the picture. Do this for all earrings. Make sure you get the correct color for each earring. Like this one is black, but I also got some red ones and some blue ones, so I switched up the marker. Okay guys, I'm starting my tassels. Found the quickest thing that was by me, which was my rhinestone case. Wrapping around the rhinestone case maybe 13 or 15 times. I did both of them, like I said, 13 to 15 times. Okay guys, this step right here, I'm just burning a hole at the top of the earring and the bottom of the earring. The hole at the top is for your jump ring and your hooks, and the bottom is for like the feathers or the tassel or whatever else material you decide to use. And guys, please be careful with this because this thing is hot. You can see the smoke coming from it. It is hot. I have burnt myself on the finger with this tool, and it's no joke. It is hot, so please be careful if you are using this. You don't have to use this. You can use like a little mini drill or whatever, but I decided to use this because I mean it was close by and it's fast, you know, pretty fast just to burn a hole in some wood. So please be careful. Right now I'm just digging through my little container. I got a container. I keep everything organized. I keep all my earring hooks in one container. I keep my rhinestones in another container. I keep my tools in one container. I keep my wooden earrings in another container. I mean, being organized is the key to doing these videos and making it fast. So right now I'm just putting a jump ring on my tassel. You put all that that yarn into that jump ring, and then I'm gonna cut like another piece of yarn. I'm gonna wrap it around, and then I'm gonna cut it to make the tassel. You'll see. Just stay tuned. Repeat the same steps for the other tassel, and I'm making some blue tassels. So the same way that I did the red tassels, do the same thing for the blue tassels. In my next video, y'all, I'm gonna invest in some sharper scissors. Because I like bling, I am adding some diamond wrap around where we just wrapped it. Yeah, I'm adding diamond wrap around there. I think it's look. You don't have to, but I think it looks better that way. Y'all, I think these tassels brings out any pair of earrings you make. I get so many compliments when I wear some earrings that have tassels to them. I mean, everyone comments, "Ooh, I like your earrings, I like your earrings," you know. A lot of family members say I should sell them, but me personally, I love earrings. So every pair of earrings that I make, I wear myself. This step is optional. I like to add more bling to my earrings, so I'm just adding this around the edge of the earrings. You don't have to, you can just use your paint pen and color it or whatever, but I like extra bling, and it shows so pretty when the sun shines on it. But yes, I'm just adding diamond wrap around the edge of the earrings. Sock the earrings off. So like I said, the tassels and any other material you want hanging from your earring, it really sets the earrings off. So I mean, be creative. You don't have to use yarn and feathers. You might find something else, but the feathers, y'all, set the earrings off. One thing I dislike about making holiday earrings is they seasonal, y'all. So, after Christmas, I can't wear these earrings until maybe next Christmas. So I really dislike making holiday earrings. This step right here, I'm just using crafting glue and putting rhinestones on the earrings. Simple. I know you're like, what is she doing? I'm just got like a little tool that you pick up rhinestones with, just dipping it in the glue at the top and just putting some on the earring. I mean, just my way of doing it. You don't have to do it like that, but I found it easier to do it that way. And guys, that is it. However way I did it on one side, I did it on the next side. So that's it. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching my videos. So please make sure you like, comment, subscribe.